So during the first lockdown, what really helped me was having weekly calls with the Wellbeing officer, Mrs Ogilvie.
The whole uncertainty around COVID and what was going to happen next really caused her serious issues. She could ring me when she needed, when she felt particularly distressed about something, in order to just put her on track for the day and to ensure that she didn't overwork.
It provided a solid ground to which I knew that weekly I would have those check-ins.
Obviously our focus has been on well-being because it's been a difficult time for them, so we've just kept focusing on how they're feeling, how they felt through lockdown, things that they can do to help them feel better.
Because we didn't have eyes on pupils, so we needed to really know how they were coping and how things were going at home.
With Harry having additional learning needs, Mr Meredith has been a fantastic teacher because he understands Harry and he's made an effort to understand Harry.
It was just adapting a teaching style, adapting certain pieces of work for him, but at the end of each lesson we'd stay on, have like a one-to-one seminar with Harry's parents.
That support was absolutely invaluable to us, and it's meant that we've been able to get to know the teachers better.
I think parents now have a better understanding of what actually does happen in schools on a day-to-day basis.
And really it's just about working on the same page, which is obviously beneficial for the child then.
Thank you. It sounds simple, but the impact you have on young people and their mental health is astonishing, really.
But to all of the teachers, they were on email, they were on the other end of a phone if you needed them. The support was great.